What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Drebone'S 777 again, and I'm with my son Marcus. Say hi, Marcus.
Hi.
Yeah, today what I want to show y'all is my cooking skills. You know, my culinary skills. About to fry y'all some chicken. Alright? I like chicken, and it's not because I'm black. But anyway, though, let me get started. Alright, Marcus, go watch TV. Alright, got my girl holding the camera, and I'm going to hold it for a few minutes. Anyway, look at this. Got our chicken right here. You see that? Got our chicken right there. We also got our grease, you know, your oil, your cooking oil, vegetable oil. Got that from Bottom Dollar. They have cheap food. Also got our seasoned salt. Meat tenderizer, well, it got some onion powder and garlic powder in it. Also got our black pepper, you know, got a little tray right here. And last but not least, we got our flour. So, let me show you how I make my famous Drebone'S fried chicken. So, let's get started. Alright, first start with our chicken, and we put it on the tray. And I'm going to have you hold this for a minute. Thank you. Alright, so put it down here. Alright, so we're going to put all our pieces of chicken on the tray right here. You know, and then get it seasoned a little bit. You know, you got to have to marinate your stuff, you know what I'm saying? Make your chicken taste real good. This chicken's already been washed off, so if you was wondering, well, I ain't putting no water on it right now. I already washed that, washed my hands. You know, cleanliness is next to godliness. See, I do all that stuff already. Alright? Alright. So, we basically got all our pieces on here. Now, let's get this last one there. Alright, so we got all the pieces on there. And then what you do is, first we'll take our pepper and we'll sprinkle it all over one side of the piece of chicken. Like this. You got me on the camera? Oh. Well, somebody had it on the wrong side of that, but that's okay. It will all spread around. See? It's not that bad. See, it'll go around. See? Not too much pepper on that. It'll all go out, like I said. Watch out, little man. Watch out. You're going to sneeze off of this. Alright? Stand back. And that's what you got to be careful of. Too much pepper get in your nose, you know, you'll sneeze off of it. Hey! Stand back. Little man, stand back. I don't want that pepper going in your nose. See, look at this piece of chicken right here. Come on, get closer. You see, it's not that bad. Now, see, I told you, it's not that much pepper on it. Alright, now, we're going to take our seasoning right here, our seasoned salt, and we're going to sprinkle it all over. So, you got me on the camera. Do that. Move back, Marcus. I know you want some daddy's chicken, but move back a little bit, alright? Alright, so that's sprinkled on one side. See? Alright, little man. Go watch TV, alright? Okay? And then we take our meat tenderizer. It's really meat tenderizer with, what's it called? Onion powder and garlic powder. So we take that, sprinkle a little bit of that on there. Hold on. There we go.
Ain't that coming out?
Yeah, it's coming out. I see a little bit. Just only a little bit on one side. Mainly just need the pepper and the seasoned salt. Get out of here, little man. Go watch TV, alright? Just go watch TV for a little bit. You'll come back in. Alright? Thank you. Alright, so we just flip all the chicken over. Pepper's starting to get to my nose.
It's cold outside.
Yeah, it's cold outside. That's why I'm wearing my hat. You already know I'm from 412, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Wish the Steelers would actually do a little better. But, you know, 6-time Super Bowl champions. So, catch up with us, motherfuckers. Anyway, let's go back with our seasoning. Flip this one over. Alright. Use our pepper again. Alright. Now get a close look at that. That good? Look good to you? Yeah, looks good to me. Anyway, so we got that part done. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to take our vegetable oil, we're going to put it in the pan. Let it cook for a little bit. That's just the way I like doing it. I like doing it a little differently from other people. But, you know, it usually turns out the same. A little bit of that oil right there. And, hold on. Got some more oil. Just a little bit of oil. From here. Just a little bit. Alright, that should be good enough. Alright, now we're going to turn on our grease, put it up high. But that's not what you really cook your chicken on. You cook it on a medium or a low medium, usually lower temperature, because, you know, you want the inside of your meat to cook well done. You know what I'm saying? You don't want no red in your meat, especially not chicken. You want your chicken all white. You know, the meat all white. Anyway, though, we're just going to let the grease heat up. And as we're doing that, what we do now is we take our flour right here and we use it in these bags. These little plastic bags that you get from Walmart, Giant Eagle. Well, it's probably called Giant in your area. But it's called Giant Eagle in the Pittsburgh area or Cleveland. If you live in Western PA, parts of Ohio, West Virginia, they call it Giant Eagle. Just to say, it's pretty much the same store. So, yeah. Anyway, put your flour in the bag. That should be good enough. Not too much, not too little bit. And alright. Now what we do is, have your bag like that. Take your pieces of chicken, put it in the bag. Okay? Like this. So that way that you can have the flour around it. Now, there's some people that use egg and they put egg around it, you know, to make it a little bit more crispier. But I know how to make mine pretty crispy without that. But sometimes I will use the egg to make it real crispy. So I'm going to hurry it up a little bit because it sounds like the grease is trying to get real hot. But that's why I had the flame up real high so that way it'll be hot enough when I put my chicken in there. It'll cook right. You know, you don't want to put your chicken in there and the grease ain't hot enough. Otherwise it won't turn out right, or it just really won't get crispy fast enough. Yeah, you don't understand what I'm saying? Anyway, now I got all my chicken in the bag. Bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I shake the bag up so I get all the flour around the chicken. Yeah, make sure the chicken is fully breaded with flour so that way it gets crispy. Okay? Okay. That's what I said, okay. He thinks he wants to learn how to cook too, if I said that right. But anyway, chicken should be looking like this. Breaded like this. That's how you prepare your chicken from the start. Making sure that it looks completely breaded. Some of these still aren't completely breaded in here yet, but we'll get it completely breaded. Alright, and now, come here. And now, in order to see if the grease is hot enough for the chicken to cook, what you do is take a little bit of flour and you put it in. If the flour sizzles out, that means it's ready to be put in a little bit, or actually right now. It looks like it's about ready. Yep, looks like it's about ready. So what I do is, so we could cook more at one time, I take my chicken like this, and I fold it. See? Take the chicken and fold it. I'm just going to fold it and put some on the back of the bag so that way I could put more in all at the same time so they evenly cook, if you understand what I'm saying. I know my girl's getting a little tired of holding the camera. I'm going to hold it in a little bit. So, yeah. Try to do this as quick as possible. Alright, so now I got about 3 or 4 pieces folded. Now what you do is you take it by the tail, the little tail up top. Then you put it in. We'll turn our fire down a little bit, down to about 4 or 5. And you see, look at the chickens. You have it on the chicken? See, it's starting to cook now. Put some more flour on there. Got 4 pieces in so far. Alright. 5. 6. Alright. Got 6 pieces in so far. Just gonna clean off my hands a little bit and try to get me a fork. So that way I can move it around and fit more pieces in here. Alright, so I got my fork. Move that one down to there. Move that over there. Might be able to fit 2 more pieces. Alright. Go with piece number 7 right here. Piece 7. So you might be able to fit 2 more if I got a piece small enough. We'll do 8. That's fine. And you still got the on the chicken, so that's how it should be cooking. Looks like one of the what's it called pieces came off. Actually, the tail came out of the fold position, if that's how I want to say it. Alright, so now that's how you do the first part of doing your chicken. Alright, so all we gotta do now is wait for it to cook on one side, and then I flip it over in the pan. Because we're just gonna cook it in a frying pan. We'll just take our lid and put it on top. Alright? No. Yeah, I'll hold it now. Oh, you paused it.
Dad.
You did. Never mind. I thought you did. I thought you paused it. My fault, babe. Yep, but that's how you first start preparing your chicken, though. If you want to cook some nice, good chicken.
Something wrong with this, your bow's freezing.
Yeah, it must have frame rate issues or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, it do that sometimes. It's probably because the camera's trying to focus. That's what it is. Say hi again, Marcus.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Wave. 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 Say hi.
Hi.
Good boy. Yeah, my son said he wanted to help me do this chicken, right? You want me to cook this chicken? Yeah or no? You hungry for some chicken, Marcus? Yeah? That's good boy. Anyway, we're just sitting here waiting for our chicken. Too bad I can't really pause this like I could on my tablet. Otherwise, I would pause this and let it go through. But, you know, you want to see the Drebone'S chicken in real life, in actual form. It's going to be a long video, guys. So bear with me. I'm actually going to turn the light off on this. That's probably what it is that's slowing this down. It looks like one of those pieces of chicken's trying to stand up. I hate when that happens. But at least it'll still cook. You know what I'm saying? Actually, let me go get this piece right now. Alright. That one right there. There we go. Let me put the lid back on this. But anyway, though, let me say a little bit more about myself. You know, again, my name is Drebone'S, 777, and I like to cook from time to time. I like to do music. You know, I like playing video games. I'm trying to get back to doing a little bit more videos, you know, like music videos. I mean, I would do some more gameplay commentary, but I'm going to need a better camera than using my phone to do that. And I wish I would get a little bit more views. I mean, I enjoy doing videos. It's not really for the money. I just like doing videos, and I like my voice to be heard, if you understand what I'm saying. Like, you know, when I do videos, you know, I want people to hear me. I want people to listen to what I have to say. You know, I'm very passionate about music. You know, I rap from time to time. When I first did my YouTube channel, it was more for entertainment and rapping. I mean, I did a little bit of gameplay videos here and there, but I did more music. And then I started going with video games because I really did like video games, especially when I was a kid. So that's mainly what I wanted to say about that. I mean, if you want to hear more music videos, send me a request and I'll definitely do it. Or if you want to see more videos like this, I'll send more videos like this, or even gaming videos, or educational. Excuse me. I'll do educational videos as well. I just like to make videos, and I like people to hear me. I think I said that a few times already now. You know, I mean, I would spit a hot 16 right now, but I'm probably not in the mood so much right now. Probably do that on Friday when I'm with R. Look. Oh yeah, if y'all want to subscribe to him, subscribe. I think it's R. Look 412 if I'm not mistaken. Gotta get his channel up a little bit more, but he really hasn't had too much time doing videos. Neither have I, taking care of my son Marcus, my girl Marcia, and I gotta work, things like that. I'm trying to, get me another job. I want to double up and work 2 jobs, so I can bring more money in the house. Just one job alone really isn't enough to me, because I want more. I expect more, if you understand what I'm saying. Move this bag away from the stove, even though it's really not that close. But yeah, I definitely want to do a lot more now with my life. I went to school, went to college. Well, it was more like a trade school or a technical school. Did things like that, But I think I let myself go a little bit, but I'm trying to get my life completely back together, if you understand what I'm saying. And that's what I want to do, is educate these younger guys. I might like to drink, smoke, things like that. But, there's a time and place for everything. And, don't, just don't be foolish with things, Don't be on the internet all the time, unless you're going to do something educational or something like that. Alright, so let's see what the chicken's looking like now. Alright, I'm going to put this over here. This thing's kind of hot. Let's look at one side of the chicken. It's getting there, but it's not quite there yet. Okay? So we're going to put the lid right back on it. And wow, this video is going to be pretty long. But I'm liking it though, because I'm showing y'all a live commentary of me, frying some chicken. Y'all want to know what Drebone'S chef skills is like, his culinary skills is like, hit me up. Like I said, I'm in the Pittsburgh area. If you live in Pennsylvania or whatever, just hit me up. I'll definitely cook some food, let me know. Try some of Drebone'S special cooking. I like to cook. But like I was saying, though, these kids, though, today, you need to learn how to do some extra stuff and not be on the internet all the time. Or, there's always a time and place for everything. Like these kids today like to get turned up too much. I was once like that. I like to drink still to this day. I like to smoke on, But like I said, though, there's a time and place for everything, and you don't really want to do that all the time. And I try telling my boy that, because could have almost been in trouble, or something could have really happened to you that one day when you got real turned up. And I didn't want to be completely responsible of him being hurt or something if he got turned up and all that bull crap happened, if you understand what I'm saying. Yeah, it's going to be a while for this chicken to be done. But, I keep rambling on and on. But, I'm trying to make it interesting. I don't want to, sit here and not talk. and you know, you get real bored. So, you know, I just really have a loss of words right now. You know, I just want to make it interesting until the food actually gets done, if you understand what I'm saying. I just wish my phone would actually stay focused the whole time on here. You know, I mean, it's recording in 1080p, but, you know, it just keep doing the autofocus too much. I gotta find a way to stop that. So it's been about 26 minutes almost on this video recording. I hope it won't be too long before this first patch of chicken is done. You know, because I'm hungry. You know, I want something to eat. I just wanted to show y'all, you know, my cooking skills, like I said. Alright, let's check it now. See if one side is done. It looks like it is actually done on some of them. Alright, let's keep my hand on this. Yep, look like some of them are actually coming done on one side. On some of them. Of course, I'm going to flip them right back over so that way, you know, they can be completely cooked on both sides. That one probably needs a little bit more on this side too, as well. There we go. That one in the middle is definitely cooking. Let me move the pan down a bit. That's probably what it is. For some of these. Alright, there we go. We flipped some of them over. Like I said, some of them are going to be done a little bit faster than others just because the amount of time I put them in the area of the pan, you know. Alright, so, yeah. Chicken is starting to look a lot better. Wait till it actually comes out, and you know, you guys will like it. Marcia.
Yeah.
Can you hand me some paper towels? Oh, you know what? Never mind. I got it. I didn't know they were right behind me. Hand me a bowl. So I can put the,
Where?
just one of those bowls. Alright? Hey, quit playing around, Marcus. Hate when you do that. I'm still recording. I just want a bowl. You know, just so that way I get ready for the grease, you know, the grease can drip off the chicken when they're done. You understand what I'm saying?
8 more.
No bowls? I'm just a bowl, not a plate.
Like
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. Thank you. Just keep that over here so that way it don't catch fire.
Oh, put it right here. Oh.
Yeah. Marcus? You want to run away? Huh? You still running away? Or you want to say hi to the again? Say hi.
Hi.
Yep, Marcus saying hi. You ain't playing no games?
Thanks.
Why ain't you playing the PS3? You don't want to? Oh, you do? Go get the controller. Alright. Alright. So now, look at what the chicken's looking like right now. See that? I don't know if you can see it real clear on here. It's actually looking pretty decent though, from the way I'm looking at it. It's a little hard to tell on these cameras on the phone, but it's definitely looking alright. I think it just needs a little bit of time, and it'll cook all the way through. I don't understand why I can't keep doing that. I don't know why they keep freezing like that. Probably because I'm recording a long video on this phone. I don't know. I'm actually getting kind of tired of holding this phone, but I gotta hold it. Show y'all how Drebone's make that famous fried chicken. Y'all know what I'm saying. I actually want me some juice. Go play. Wait, Marcus? You wanna go play? Let me see. What controller is that? Oh, you got the army one. Oh, okay. Go play upstairs. You know how to turn it on, right? That 2-year-old is pretty smart. Let me get this juice real quick because I'm a little thirsty. Yeah, it's just taking a little bit of time to cook. Alright, let's get this juice. Yeah, you hear that chicken sizzling. That shit even sounds good. I wish y'all was over here because it really smells good. Y'all hear that? That chicken sizzling? Yeah. So I'm talking about, that's the Drebone'S famous fried chicken. And if y'all hear that, that's my phone text message, you know, from the droid. Oh, man, that juice is good. Oh man, I hate when that happens. I'll wash this cap off. Hot water. Just can't wait till this chicken actually gets done. It's gonna take a while. Probably might be holding my camera for 45 minutes to an hour. Hey, we're already going close to 35. We're at 34:30 now. Damn, this takes long. But in order to be a perfectionist, though, you gotta be patient. It's one thing. Alright, let's see if it's cooked on the one side. Alright, that one looks like it's cooked a little bit. Alright, get that one. Kind of hard to do this with the phone in your hand. That's all. There we go. It's definitely starting to look alright now. Look at that. Especially this piece. That piece is giving me a hard time. Yeah, keep careful of the grease splashing up on you because this shit really hurts. See, look. See if I can zoom in on the piece of chicken. See, that piece right there is pretty crispy. Alright, I'm going to put the lid back on it for a little bit. And then I'm going to flip it over for another about 3 more minutes and then it should be done. So it takes about, 45 minutes to cook your first batch of chicken, especially on the pan. You understand what I'm saying? This juice is good. So good. I can't wait till my famous fried chicken comes out. I already got the plate ready right here. You know, so that way when I take the chicken out, they go right on the plate. You know, all the grease goes on the napkins. And then it'll be ready to eat. You see? Hey, boom, about to make that famous fried chicken, y'all. Y'all might need to come over my house and taste some of this chicken. I'm telling y'all. Taste some of my chicken. And my other food too. I make some bomb-ass burgers. I make some fish. I even fry pork chops. I grill some stuff too. You know what I'm saying? What's the matter, Marcus? What's the matter? You sad? You know how to turn it on? Push the middle button. The middle button. You know what it is. You showed me the middle button. Yeah. Push it. Good boy. Go upstairs. Go play. Mommy will show you. Alright, let me take this out. Before it gets too crispy on one side. Alright. Looks like it's getting there now. There we go. Yeah, it's getting crispy on the one side. There we go. There we go. Definitely getting crispy though. I see it. I don't know if y'all can see it real clear, but I can. There we go. Alright. Probably about 3 more minutes and this should be done. Can't wait. Man, I hate when my phone keep doing that. Why it ain't even sound like it's really cooking all like that no more. That's crazy. There we go. I wonder why the hell is it not sounding like it's cooking? There we go. Yeah, you can see that sizzle right there. There you go. After this flip, this should be done. We just want to keep flipping it, make sure it's extra crispy, you know what I'm saying? I need my chicken extra crispy. Let me turn it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Nah, that piece of chicken's... Oh, man. Give me a hard time. There we go. See, look at that gas. You see that? I see what you mean by freezing. That's crazy. About this freezing. Yeah, I see what you mean. But yeah, you see that? Look at the chicken. It's pretty much done now. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take it out. Shoot, this stuff looks good. See, look at that right there. See if I can focus in a little bit more. Alright, let that drip. Got it on there. Next one. See, look at this one. Nice and crispy. Y'all see that? Nice and crispy. Let that drip a little bit. Put that over there. Look at this one. See, there's a big one right here. It's nice and crispy looking. Yep. This one's nice and crispy looking. Put that over here. See, look at that. Look at that. It's nice and brown and crispy. Y'all see that? See? That's that Drebone'S famous fried chicken right there. Telling y'all. Y'all don't know nothing about the Drebone'S famous fried chicken. You understand what I'm saying? Look at this. Look. Looks so good. Look. Look at that. It's nice and crispy. What y'all know about this, huh? What y'all know? See? Letting it drip. Right there. Last but not least, my other piece. I got some more to cook after this. This video went up to 45 minutes long. You see this? And let me show you what it looks like. Right there. You see that? That's what the chicken looks like out of the grease. You know, over here. Looks nice and crispy. You see that? You see that? I know y'all liking that. Ain't y'all liking that chicken? See, look at that. Look at that. It's nice. Yep, that chicken looking nice. You see that? Yeah. But that's how you make some fried chicken. This is the Drebone'S famous fried chicken. And I'm Drebone 777 and I'm out. Y'all have a good one. Peace.